see as the high voltage goes. Please don't do this at home, or you can do it, but this is TK with another amazing video. So in this video, we're basically gonna make a Jacob's ladder. So please like, share and subscribe, and please, if you watch this video till the end, there will be a giveaway. I'm sure you will like it. So without no further ado, let's get to this video. So in the start of the video, as you can see, I got two electric copper wires. I'm gonna use this electric copper wires for the two wires that come from the high voltage side into this transformer. So the other wire is this wire, and the other one is, you can find it here. So like I said, you should go check on the Electroboom website. That guy is an amazing guy that inspired me to build my own channel. He's like an amazing teacher both in science and technology, so you should check it. So I'm gonna put the screw here so it can hold this one wire. Like I said, I'll be taking this two of these wires and I'll put them here. These wires will be the conductors that the ladder will go to, as you saw when I started this video. So I'm quickly gonna do that. A little difficulty to put in all this wire, so I might say that you could use a washer, so all these wires could filter properly. So I'm gonna measure this wires length with the other wire. So putting the second wire should be easy because you saw all the difficulty he had when putting the first wire. So the second wire should just be a piece of cake. So when I started this channel, I started it because I want to share a lot of things in the world. So this is one of my where I will sharing stuff, like things I did with you. Please subscribe to my channel, because in this channel that I'm done with the conductive antennas. I'm just gonna put them closer together. Like I said, this wires take a lot of time to get rid, so I would recommend you to use a washer because it will let me use it instead. As you can see, I'm down with those two antennas. So let's take a closer look to our transformer. So in the if you take out the transformers, you're not gonna use just two wires, because they are just two wires that will collect all the electricity from the primary winding. Now in the secondary winding, you have the secondary winding here. So you may not want to connect the wires that comes out from here to here. You will want to connect the wires here, because here there is a fuse that will be fused as you as you short circuit the wires. So the other wire, as you can see, this is it is placed in the chassis of this transformer. So take this wire and put it here, and this wire put it here, because both of these wires are gonna be short circuited in this experiment. So please, when you do this experiment, take safety measures, because this is very dangerous and it's high voltage. This is the first wire, so I'm going to connect the first wire to the first terminal. So connected the first wire, it's time now for me to connect the second wire. Those wires will take time to connect, so I'm just connecting them directly to the wires that give out the power from the transformer. So connecting this wire to the second wire, so the second antenna, just gonna do that. quick way. So now that these two wires are connected here, so if you go short circuit the wires here, you will see the ladder as it goes, as you saw when this video started. So I want to connect this transformer to the mains, so I'm just gonna look for a plug. You just give me 1 minute, I don't know where I put it. And I found the plug. I'm just gonna connect these two terminals. Sorry, yeah, the two terminals. I'm gonna connect them where you put the mains in the side of the transformer. So please, I don't want to see anyone die because of this. This is a very dangerous experiment, and I'm actually scared of doing it. So take safety measures when you do this, please, guys, because I don't want anyone to hurt themselves doing this kind of experiment. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I don't know how many times I said this, but please do. And also, I see a lot of requests of people asking about how to drive flyback transformers, and actually, you know what, I can drive them, so I might make a video about them. And if you want me to make a video about them, just comment on the comment section and I will definitely do so. So no further talking, I got the transformer hooked up to the plug, so I'm just gonna connect this to the base. I'm really scared of doing this, so let's just do it. So here is the extension cord and it's plugged, so let's just plug this. I got the extension plug and I'm just gonna plug this to the mains. Let's see what will happen. So here I have the extension plug and I'm gonna plug this to the main. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go. As you actually, I'm not sure if you can hear this, but I can hear the sound of the transformer. Let me switch this off just a little bit. Guys, I'm really scared doing this experiment. Like, this is super extremely dangerous and it could definitely kill you. So let's just do this. As I've said, when you make a Jacob's ladder, you need to take the wires closer together. So let's put it in for the second time. So for the first test, let's see. Woo! Did you guys see that? It definitely worked. Wow. When you do this, it's like you're making a short circuit. So please use this kind of screwdriver so that you don't get shocked during this experiment. I don't want to go to someone's burial. So let's do this. Oh. The transformer gets hot when time goes by. So let's put our camera in a different position. I've changed the position of the camera and I've turned off my flashlight. Let's see. Whoa! That's amazing. Wow. See as the high voltage goes. Please don't do this at home. Oh, you can do it, but be extremely, guys, I can't even speak because I'm so nervous. Be extremely cautious. Be extremely cautious, because this can really kill you. But it's fun. If I could only make them go automatically, I would have done that, but I can't. Maybe some YouTuber can. And the transformer is starting to smoke, so I really have to stop doing this. So if you watch this video to the end, now is the time for the giveaway. I'm gonna give away 20 of this battery because I think they are important batteries. I'm gonna give away 20 of this 12 volts batteries. Now I think this 12 volt batteries will make a good investment because if you want to make portable projects, they are both light and can carry around 3 amps of current. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and videos to my and please also watch some of my videos because I'm sure you will like them. This is TK in and out.